Have you ever wondered where the gas that powers your stove or heats your home actually comes from? Let us take a trip deep beneath the Earth's surface to explore one of the most important energy sources in the world, natural gas. This fuel isn't something we can just scoop up or bottle on the spot. In fact, it takes millions of years to form. Natural gas is created from the ancient remains of plants, animals, and tiny sea creatures that were buried under layers of rock and soil. Over time, extreme heat and pressure transform this buried, organic material into a mix of gases known as hydrocarbons, natural gas, being one of the most valuable forms. Now, natural gas is mostly made up of one main ingredient, methane, that SCH, if you into chemistry. It usually makes up about 95% of the gas in a typical sample, but it's not alone. Natural gas can also include small amounts of ethane, propane, butane, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen sulfide, and even helium, yes, the same gas that fills party balloons. The exact mix depends on where the gas was formed, and every natural gas field has its own unique chemical signature. Natural gas plays a huge role in our daily lives. You'll find it used in homes for cooking and heating, and in industries for powering machines and producing electricity. But one of its lesser-known yet incredibly important roles is in the production of hydrogen, clean-burning fuel that is gaining attention worldwide. As of 2025, hydrogen is being seen as a cornerstone of the global energy transition, with governments investing billions into green and blue hydrogen technologies. And guess what? Natural gas is currently the number one source for producing hydrogen, accounting for over 70% of global hydrogen output. But here's the thing, raw natural gas straight from the ground isn't always safe or ready to use. It often needs to go through a process called gas processing, which removes harmful components like hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. This is especially important because gases like hydrogen sulfide can corrode pipelines and are toxic to humans. In some cases, processing also allows us to extract valuable byproducts like helium, which is in high demand for use in everything from MRI machines to semiconductors. So how do we turn natural gas, specifically methane, into hydrogen? That's where some fascinating chemistry comes into play. One common method is called Steam Methane Reforming (SMR). This process uses high-temperature steam to separate hydrogen atoms from carbon in methane. Other methods include autothermal reforming (ATR), partial oxidation (POX), and even cutting-edge techniques like methane pyrolysis, which splits methane into hydrogen and solid carbon without releasing. These hydrogen production techniques are being improved every year to reduce emissions and boost efficiency, pushing us closer to a low-carbon future. Natural gas may seem like just another fossil fuel, but its role in hydrogen production makes it a key player in the clean energy conversation. As countries around the world ramp up investments in hydrogen, expected to reach over $500 billion by 2030, natural gas is going to remain part of the story. Whether it's heating our homes or helping us create the fuels of tomorrow, this ancient gas continues to shape the modern world in powerful ways. So next time you turn on your stove or see a power plant in the distance, remember, there's a story of chemistry, time, and transformation buried deep beneath your feet. And that story is called natural gas.